Looking to upgrade your lifestyle with the latest tech and innovative gadgets? In this video, we're diving into cutting-edge products designed to enhance your everyday life, from the office to outdoor adventures. AO-Chai Mag Flash. For tech enthusiasts on the go, the AO-Chai Mag Flash cable is a game-changer. This 2-in-1 cable combines ultra-fast data transfer, with speeds reaching up to 1,000 megabytes per second, with high power charging up to 240 watts. Imagine charging a MacBook Pro from 0 to 56% in just 30 minutes. Perfect for those who need fast, reliable power on the fly. The Mag Flash is also customizable in length, ranging from a short 17 centimeters to a full 188 centimeters, making it adaptable for any situation. Plus, it comes with 512 gigabytes of inbuilt storage and LED indicators to keep you informed of charging status. With a magnetic lock, it's easy to carry around and ready to adjust as your setup demands. Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition. Step into the future with Xiaomi's Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition. These sleek, lightweight AR glasses are designed to blend digital and real-life environments seamlessly. Built on the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform, they offer low-latency display, meaning there's no noticeable delay in visuals, ideal for real-time interaction. They adapt to lighting conditions for a clear view indoors and outdoors, and with hand tracking, you can interact with digital elements naturally. Stand Plus content creators, vloggers, and videographers meet your new favorite filming tool, the Stand Plus. Unlike typical tripods, Stand Plus is compact, sturdy, and super easy to set up, allowing you to get the perfect shot without fuss. It holds up to 6 pounds, making it compatible with most cameras and doesn't topple or shake. Its unique ball leg design allows smooth, jitter-free movement, making it ideal for dynamic filming angles. Plus, it folds down to fit in a bag, so you can take it anywhere, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about content creation. Tilex. The Tilex is a compact, foldable titanium utility knife that belongs on your keychain. This pocket-sized powerhouse has 5 interchangeable blades, making it ideal for everything from opening boxes to handling tougher cutting tasks. Abusiz Lamp Plus. The Lamp Plus by Abusiz redefines meeting spaces, bringing a touch of tech sophistication to your office. This sleek wood-based HD projector is not just about display. It transforms any tabletop into an interactive touchscreen. Imagine running presentations where your table becomes a digital interface. Simply use your finger to navigate as it tracks your movements like a mouse. Fully dimmable, it provides optimal lighting that's easy on the eyes and enhances focus. The projector displays in full HD, and the 360-degree surround sound ensures everyone in the room experiences immersive audio. With AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast compatibility, the Lamp Plus is versatile and practical, blending functionality with style. Choose from walnut, black oak, or oak finishes, and if you want a matching look, Abusiz offers tables and chairs to complete your setup. Haki Mix V. The Haki Mix V cap is where tech meets fashion, with an integrated visor and bone-conducting headphones. Perfect for active lifestyles, it keeps your ears open to the world while delivering crystal-clear sound directly through your cheekbones, ensuring safe listening for runners, cyclists, or anyone on the move. The headphones feature Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable connectivity, and dual noise-canceling mics ensure clear calls, even in noisy environments. With 8 hours of playback on a single charge and an IPX5 waterproof rating, you're ready for any weather or workout. The visor has a stylish, curved brim that adds a sporty touch to any outfit, making it both functional and fashionable. Neo Ruler Go. The Neo Ruler Go is a precision tool built for architects, designers, and anyone who needs exact measurements. With an impressive 1mm accuracy, it's equipped to handle everything from straight edges to curves and irregular shapes. The Neo Ruler Go has a built-in scale detector, WooAsk Transbuds, A8 Travelers. Meet the WooAsk Transbuds, A8, the earbuds that double as a personal language assistant. These aren't just any Bluetooth earbuds. They can translate 16 languages offline and 144 online in half a second, giving you 98% accuracy on the go. The 2-inch touchscreen on the charging case is your translation hub, allowing you to switch languages and get instant translations without needing an app. Equipped with Qualcomm tech, these earbuds provide quality audio as well, making them a versatile tool for global nomads who need seamless communication. PenClab stay cool this summer with the PenClab air conditioner. Delivering 10,000 BTUs of cooling power, it's perfect for spaces up to 450 square feet. It features negative ion purification to improve air quality and a dehumidifier mode to keep humidity in check. You can control it via a smartphone app, making it easy to adjust the temperature remotely. Moss Lab. Moss Echo. Indoor nature has never looked this good. The Moss Echo from Moss Lab is a unique indoor garden designed to mimic the benefits of forest bathing, with live moss nurtured by LED lights that replicate natural sunlight. It doesn't just look calming, it sounds calming too, with nature-inspired audio settings to bring peace to your environment. The interactive smart spray is a fun addition. Watering the moss triggers a visual animation that feels rewarding, adding a bit of joy to plant care. And the rotary knob lets you switch between modes. Wake-up mode to start your day with gentle sounds, clock mode to display the time and weather, music mode to visualize sound waves, and sleep mode for soothing nature sounds to help you relax. Brevoy. For coffee lovers on the move, the Brevoy portable espresso maker delivers cafe-quality espresso anytime, anywhere. Whether you're using capsules or grounds, Brevoy brews up to 300 cups on a single charge, making it perfect for travel, camping, or just busy days. That's all for today. Thank you, and see you soon.